So what are chatbot tabs? Like they help you to interactive actions within the chatbot interactions, organize information and options for users. And the benefits are enhancing user experience, improve navigations. Means this will and the photos which I have put in is basically the Zoho chatbot pics. Next. How to set up tabs in Zoho. Navigate to Zoho chatbot interface, add new tab and configure settings. Customize tab content, like we can add the tag, link, images, forms, etc. Organize content for user values. Like there are three tabs in Zoho chatbot: tab, group, web tab and global set. So we can customize the tabs accordingly. Next. Next. Overviewing of Zoho chatbot plugin. The most important part in a chatbot. What is a chatbot plugin? Additional functionality for the chatbot. Example: CRM inter, integration, e-commercial support, payment processes, and their benefits are they extend chatbot capability and automate complex processes. Next. And the popular Zoho chatbot plugin were which we used in our chatbot are CRM integration, e-commercial support, payment processing, live chat integration, survey and feedback, social media integration, email marketing, and help desk integration. How to set up plugin in our chatbot? Install plugins, access Zoho chatbot setting, then choose and install desired plugin, configure plugin settings, customize features to business needs, set up trigger and action using plugin effectively, monitor performance and adjust settings, train staff and plugin functionality. So the reference link, if you are not able to plug in or create using setting, I have given four